Good morning. We're coming at you again this week of Tuesday, August 23rd, 2022, from ROFFS Ocean Fishing Forecasting Service with the weekly Gulf of Mexico ocean conditions update. Overall, conditions look pretty similar than they've looked the past few weeks. Just to give some overall trends, the Central Gulf, south of the Mississippi River Delta, out towards the Green Canyon, south of the Mississippi Canyon towards the dump site, probably looks the best overall for conditions for fishing for yellowfin, dolphin, blue marlin, swordfish, billfish in general. You have this loop current eddy clockwise circulating in here south of the dump site that broke off of the loop current probably about 3 to 4 weeks ago now. That feature, along with a newly formed counterclockwise rotating eddy that's in over the Green Canyon, has been circulating blue water from the Green Canyon up towards the Mississippi Canyon, over to about 30 miles south of South Pass in the Mississippi River Delta. Then it sort of cuts off southeastward, southeast of the Chandeleur Valley, the Gulfport Valley, out towards the Atwater Valley area. Those are probably this edge here and this edge are probably the best conditions in the whole Gulf right now. Of note, the loop current does look like it started to push up to the north a little bit. Again, the eddy is still separated from the loop current. You do have a lot of green water coming down on the northeastern side of the loop current eddy, all the way out towards the area east Atwater Valley into the Lloyd's Ridge, and then all the way down almost to the area south of the Dry Tortugas in Key West, along the northeastern and eastern side of the loop current. In the eastern Gulf and the northeastern Gulf, you still do have these two counterclockwise rotating eddies that are blending and circulating some of the blue-green and green water up north of Lloyd's Ridge towards the DeSoto Canyon, south of the Spur, south of the Steppes region, and over the Double Nipple. You do have some counter circulation here off of the Steppes, off of Tampa, that is pulling a finger of bluer water up over the Steppes towards the box area off of Tampa and south of Lloyd's Ridge, getting pulled up along the eastern side of this counterclockwise rotating eddy. However, if you have a look up here, this is an ocean color image taken from Sunday and Monday. If you look at off of Cape San Blas, off of Pensacola, off of Mobile, off of Biloxi, due to these two eddies, this green water coming out of the Mississippi River Delta, all of the interaction of that stuff combined, all the way up Lloyd's Ridge, North Atwater Valley, up towards the Double Nipple, up towards the Steppes, the Spur, the Unexploded Ordnance, the Squiggles, the Wings, all the way in towards the area off of Cape San Blas. All of this water is indeed still clean green, maybe some little scattered pools of blue green, and clean green to green overall. Off of Tampa, you do have some pockets of blue water to the southwest and also further offshore, 100 fathoms, 200 to 500 fathoms off the 1,000 to 1,500 fathoms towards the Steppes and northwestward. Inshore, there's still a lot of green water off of Tampa as well. Moving west, you do have a lot of green water down here towards the area off of Mexico. A lot of this water's coming up towards the area Texas-Mexico border off of Brazos-Santiago Pass, and then being circulated inshore and around this eddy located southeast of Aransas. You do have another secondary eddy out here towards the Flower Gardens that is pulling some cleaner, bluer water in towards the east breaks, and then southwestward, closer to the area offshore of Aransas, uh, Baker's Rocks, Baker's Rig, inshore of the Falcon's Nest, Hospital Rock, Aransas Bank, and around this counterclockwise rotating eddy. This eddy here out towards the flower gardens was down here a couple weeks ago, has moved its way northeastward. Now you have a new eddy here, pulling all this green water up, blends to blue-green as you head east towards the dump site, towards the second eddy. And although you do have cleaner, bluer water inshore here, these eddies combined, really you have to get out in the deep here to find the best edge in this area. It extends, it's well east of the Colt 45, up here towards the 500 fathom hump area, over towards the dump site, with some fingers of it pushing in here, south of the Geyer Bank, the Bright Bank, and the flower gardens, but also well offshore. Sort of strange conditions this year with these two big eddies off of Aransas. Have to get out deeper to the east to find good conditions for marlin, and also in the central Gulf, much better than the northeastern Gulf. If you're coming from Pensacola, Mobile area, Biloxi area, and you are looking for marlin or maybe yellowfin tuna, it would be a much better idea, if you have the time, if you have the fuel, to head off over here to the west, other than fishing in these areas, because again, a lot of the water is disconnected from this loop current water and is clean green to green in color, not really usually the conditions we associate with good marlin fishing. It's unfortunate for the northeastern Gulf, but there are areas here in the central Gulf off of the Mississippi River Delta that do look good and are reachable, especially for the upcoming Labor Day tournaments. Same thing over here in the western Gulf. There are areas that look good for marlin that are reachable. You just have to get an analysis to see where these good conditions are. Don't forget to follow us on social media at ROFFS Fishing on Facebook and Instagram. You can visit our website, www.roffs.com, to order 24/7 or during normal business hours. You could always give us a call and talk to our front office to place an order with any questions. 321-723-5759. Labor Day is coming up in less than 2 weeks now, and we will come at you again with another update again the beginning of next week, hopefully with some better news for fishing Labor Day weekend. That's it for now. Stay safe out there, tight lines and good fishing, and we'll talk to you again next week. Thank you.